The 2025 BMW 1 Series, which comes in a variety of body types like hatchbacks, coupes, and convertibles. The BMW 1 Series is known for its quick and agile handling, as well as its high-end equipment and craftsmanship. The BMW 1 Series interior usually includes premium materials including soft-touch plastics, metal accents, and fine leather. This adds to the opulent and sophisticated atmosphere. Modern infotainment and connectivity features, such as an intuitive UI and choices like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, are fitted by BMW to the 1 Series. Depending on the model year, the iDrive infotainment system that comes with the BMW 1 Series comprises a touchpad, a rotary controller, or a touchscreen display. The front seats of the 1 Series are typically well bolstered and offer a nice mix of comfort and sportiness. There is a ton of technology available, and the seats are really cozy and positioned for a pleasant riding position. BMW seats are renowned for being cozy and supportive. For a small luxury vehicle, the BMW 1 Series usually has a respectable amount of cargo space, and the back seat may be folded down to increase storage space. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, frontal collision warning, and lane departure warning might be available on BMW 1 Series vehicles. These features lessen the severity of crashes and help prevent accidents. For increased safety, the 2025 BMW 1 Series usually has traction control systems, a robust and sturdy body construction, and numerous airbags.